Hello everyone, welcome to SVIMS. I am Dr. Nilanjana Bhattacharya Nath, HOD, Biotechnology Department. Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, affiliated to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, a successful unit of Swami Vivekananda Group of Institutions located at Sonarpur. SVIMS is well connected by railways, metro and bus with Kolkata and suburbs. Our institute caters to BSc Honours Biotechnology since 2009 and MSc Biotechnology since 2015. Biotechnology is one of the most progressive and beneficial scientific advances of the last quarter century. Nowadays, trend is changing in and several students after their plus 2, that is HS or ISC or CBSC, need to choose the subject which not only enhance their knowledge but also help in the preparation for either higher studies or to get a proper job. Biotechnology is an excellent career choice due to its dynamic and interdisciplinary nature. Biotechnology is both a basic and an applied science. These technologies are applied in agriculture and food security, healthcare, forensics, industrial processing, and environmental management in many useful ways. It is highly recommended that students who like biology should pursue their graduation in biotechnology, followed by higher studies in the same field, that is MSc in biotechnology, for better job openings. The applicant completed 10+2 examination from a recognized board can apply for BSc Honours in biotechnology. Candidates should have either physics, chemistry, biology or physics, chemistry, math combination at the 10+2 level. The applicant completed his or her graduation with any life science subjects from a recognized university can apply for MSc in biotechnology. The candidate should be methodical and have a flair for lab work. The knowledge of computers is a must. BSc Honours Biotechnology is 3 years full-time course divided into 6 semesters. MSc Biotechnology is 2 years full-time course divided into 4 semesters. Biotechnology includes various core subjects such as biochemistry, immunology, cell biology, bioinformatics, chemistry, plant and animal physiology, genetics, bioprocess technology, genomics, bioanalytical tools, ecology and environment, and recombinant DNA technology. Biotechnology Department of SVIMS is compiled by experienced faculties with a rich teaching and research exposure. Professionals from various industries and academics are invited to deliver lectures and seminars on the latest development of biotechnology and allied areas. Department motivates students to participate in various personality enhancing activities. The aim of our department is to train students by imparting them latest industry required knowledge. There is no end to biotech industries and sectors such as food, textile, pharmaceutical, medicine, cosmetics, agriculture, soil biology, genetic engineering, animal husbandry, etc. After completion of graduation and post-graduation with biotechnology, students can apply as research scholar in different government-aided, private projects and in pharmaceutical companies, forensic labs, diagnostic labs, quality control units of different organizations. They can also start their career as biological technician, medical and clinical, lab technologist and technician, biochemist and biophysicist, epidemiologist, biomanufacturing specialist, bioproduction operators, specialist in genomics and proteomics. Placement gives students the opportunity to gain skill specific to their subject or industry of choice for real life work. These are our placement details. Last but not the least, we are at the pace of making new applications and innovations every day, and this could be possible with combining technology and biology together. So stay tuned with this industry because the youth with innovative minds have a lot of job options available in biotechnology. If you are having any query, please contact me or visit SVIMS official website. Thank you.